Okay, class, this is number 38. This one looks much more difficult than I think it is. Well, the way I looked at this problem is what can I multiply one of these sides by to get the other side? Okay, and just going to look at the bottom here. What would I multiply a 1 by to get cotangent of x, cotangent of y? I put the problem down wrong. This should be a minus sign back here. And what could I multiply this by to get a negative 1? Okay, well, if you look at it that way, we could try multiplying the top by cotangent of x, cotangent of y, cotangent of x, cotangent of y, both the top and the bottom. So on the bottom then, cotangent of x, cotangent of y times 1 would be cotangent of x, cotangent of y, minus, well, what's cotangent of x, cotangent of y times tangent of x, tangent of y? Well, since cotangent and tangent are reciprocals and they both have the same angle, that's 1. Cotangent of y and tangent of y again are reciprocals, so those would cancel out and you'd be left with 1. So now my denominator is the exact same as this side. Well, what happens on top? Okay, well, I would rainbow this in, cotangent of x, cotangent of y times tangent of x. This cotangent of x cancels with this tangent of x. Let me back that up because it doesn't completely cancel. It only cancels for this first term. Cotangent x, cotangent y. So if I multiply this by this, I'm left with just cotangent y. And if I multiply this by this, I'm left with just cotangent of x, which is what we were trying to show.